What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another trade recap from this morning's live day trading session with our LTE team. If this is your first time watching and you are curious and want to join our live stream day trading sessions that we host every morning, Monday through Friday at market open, it's simple. Simply become a subscriber, join our 100% free lifetime access Discord server, and that's where you start. That's where you begin your journey in learning how to become a more profitable, more consistent day trader, long-term investor, or whatever it is you're trying to do in the markets. There's information on this channel to help you do exactly that. So, guys, with that said, smash the like button for me because it's in a great day today. We're up over 3%, $60 overall on the account by trading one company, LUNR. And why? Because we saw signs of the stage 3 or confirmation stage in the 3 stages of reversal. Now, it has been selling off since $24, $25, has a nice sell-off period. Now, for all of you who don't know, LUNR is a space exploration company, and they recently launched their 3rd mission, which actually they'll be launching this evening. I'm sorry. I am a little sick also, so bear with me here. But they will be launching their 3rd mission consecutive. So this will be 3 missions that are going at the same time. This is kind of like the first in history, okay? Now, they'll be launching their 3rd spaceship today. I think this afternoon. They're in Cape Canaveral, right next to SpaceX and Elon Musk. So it's a pretty big accomplishment for LUNR, or Initiative Machines Inc. Now, we did see previous support at about 1450, and we did call this out to our LTE team days prior. And then I did let them know this morning, hey, I'm taking 100 shares. Let's see, we could actually bring that up here. I told them I'm buying 100 shares at, was it 1660? Let me go to Trade Ideas. We'll pull that up for you guys here. Trade Ideas. Buying 100 shares of LUNR as it's starting to show signs of reversal, up 100 on the day so far and still pushing higher. So I guess I didn't call out the exact point I bought, but I bought 100 shares. It was about 30 minutes later. I came on about 8, and I bought right as it showcased signs of crossing over these moving averages here, guys. Do you see this? There's a lot of consolidation. It wasn't sure what it wanted to do as it was continuing. It was consolidating. Is it going to be bullish, bearish? We're not too clear. Yesterday's low was 1450. So we knew it made a huge push up to 1730 and then got rejected. So I knew 1730 was a critical resistance level. I knew 1450 was a support. Now I wasn't willing to risk, what is that? 10%, right? Because I missed out on that opportunity, but I did want to risk about, 1 to 2% on this trade. So about 8 o'clock, I noticed it just pushed up to 1696. It came back down to 1670, and I bought right there. 8 o'clock, about 1677. And I bought a few more shares when it pushed up to 1690, something like that. So right there, I was already up 1% on 100 shares. It was really cool. It was like 10 bucks. I added a few more shares. It was like 14. I think I had a total of like 114 shares. You can watch the live stream actually, okay? This is the recap. So you can go back and watch the live stream if you want. And then it pushed up another 3%, 3.5% to 1728. It wasn't able to get above 1730. So on that next candle, I actually sold at $17 even. I waited for that bounce. Didn't get the bounce, sold at 17, came all the way down to 1670, 1680, and then pushed back up. Now, one of the things, 1 second, sorry. Oh man, apologize. So one of the things I could have did better today, right, would be maybe only selling half of my position at the stop of 17. And then maybe wait for the other half to ride up, because it is still showing signs of being bullish. It just can't get past that 1730 wall right now. Also, maybe buying the dip. So instead of getting 100 shares right here, right off the bat at 1660, 1670s, maybe buying 50 shares. selling 50 at the all-time high, locking in profits, buying another 50 down here, waiting for that all-time high again at 1730 and selling there. Maximizing my total profits, making 3.5%, 3.5% on two different trades compared to maybe one trade. I don't know. I'm gonna work with that a little bit. Nonetheless, great trade today. This can still be very bullish. It can still go up to this moving average to 1850. It can even go up to 2250. It can even go all the way up to $25. Okay, I want you to be aware of that. Just because I sold and got out doesn't mean you guys have to. Doesn't mean you even have to trade this company, right? But what I like to do here is I like to trade live every morning with our team. We look at anything that has potential to make us money, we trade it, and then I do a recap video like this, kind of explaining my thought process a little bit more. Maybe we missed something in the live stream that I didn't say or talk about, and the recaps really help to kind of solidify everything together, right? The live stream you watch, the recap video recapping it, and hopefully helping you become, more successful. That's what I want here. I want to become a catalyst for your success. Learn from me, because when I first started, I know that it was harder to learn because there was no one to watch. I didn't have someone who traded live every day to like watch and listen and learn from them and their ideas. I didn't have that. So that's what I'm trying to do here with you guys, right? I want you guys to understand this is 100% free information. You can learn this on your own. You don't even need me. But if you like my trading style, I make a little bit of sense to you, and you want to learn more, definitely consider subscribing to the channel and join our Discord. It's 100% free, lifetime access. And not only me is in there, we have other successful traders who are locking in profits. We have people who trade futures, options, crypto, a ton of different things, right? And a lot of them are very successful. Pick their brains, get inside their heads, meet some new people, and ultimately join a community that is growing at a fast pace. We just are about to cross over 7,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we have over 72,000 members in our Investing for Beginners private community on Facebook, and we just crossed over, we're close to 1,000 members on the Discord. We're getting very close to our first 1,000 members on our LTE team. So if you guys want to be a part of that, definitely consider joining. Again, 100% free, no financial cost or risk to you. Just a really cool community that you can join and hang out and watch me trade live every day. So thank you for your time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. And we'll see you in tomorrow morning's live trading session at market open. Don't be late. Just kidding.